Students, good morning to all of you. This is Bhavani Shankar, and today we are going to start Geography Part 2, Chapter number 4, Climate. So, we have to start the chapter with the title name, that is Climate. That what do you understand by term climate? And what is the basic difference between weather and climate? तो जब भी वेदर की बात करते हैं हम whenever we are talking about weather, we are talking about a point of time, the atmospheric condition at a point of time. And when we are talking about climate, in that case we are talking about the sum of atmospheric conditions over any area for more than 30 years. हम एक 30 years, more than 30 years का एवरेज लेते हैं, एक लॉन्ग पीरियड का एवरेज लेते हैं, और उसका जो हम एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस को जो हम सम अप करते हैं, दैट इज क्लाइमेट. Whenever we talking about weather, we are talking about relatively small area. Whenever we are talking about climate, in that case it covers larger area. Climate की बात करेंगे तो वो एक larger area की बात आपसे होगी, और हम weather की बात करेंगे तो वो क्या होगा, relatively हम small area की बात कर रहे हैं. So weather is a momentary state of atmosphere, momentary, at a moment, at a point of time, while the climate, that is the average of the weather conditions over a longer period of time. तो वेदर जो है वो आपका 1-2 आवर्स में चेंज हो सकता है, वीक में चेंज हो सकता है, डेज में चेंज हो सकता है, बट आपका जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस है इसका एवरेज जो है आपका मोर देन 30 इयर्स का लगेगा, ये ऐसे चेंज नहीं होता है. So this is the basic difference between weather and climate. You can see in this picture that weather is a short-term state of the atmosphere. We already discussed that it is the momentary state of the atmosphere at a moment, at a point of time. While the climate, that is long-term pattern of weather, long-term, that is the more than average of more than 30 years of atmospheric conditions. Now, weather can change within a minute or hour, while the climate, that is the average weather over many years in one specific place. And the example is, if we are talking about weather, हम कह देते हैं it's raining outside. We are talking about a moment, yeah, it's very pleasant atmospheric conditions outside. वो जरूरी नहीं है आफ्टर 1 आवर, मान लीजिए अगर सोलर रेडिएशन जो है वो क्या हो जाएगी, एक तरह से स्कॉचिंग हो जाएगी, तो वो प्लीजेंट जो आपका जो वेदर बना था वो एक तरह से क्या हो जाएगा, सडन चेंज हो जाएगा. क्लाइमेट के अंदर ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्लाइमेट का, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्लाइमेट, हमने एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया, रीजन, स्पेशल को क्लाइमेटिक के हिसाब से उसको एक क्या दे दिया, टर्मिनोलॉजी दे दी है. लाइक इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया, देन इट इज मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. इन इंडिया देयर इज monsoon type of climate, tropical climate, subtropical climate, temperate climate. So these are some of the types of climate. So this is the basic difference between climate and weather. Now the next terminology, and that is monsoon. Monsoon literally means, what is the literal meaning of monsoon? The literal meaning of monsoon is season. It originated from Arabic word मौसम. मौसम वर्ड से monsoon बना है. मौसम किसका वर्ड था? अरेबिक वर्ड था, अरेबिक लैंग्वेज से था. ठीक है, अब monsoon क्या है? monsoon, the literal meaning of monsoon is season, or we can say winds. Monsoon means that is a complete reversal in the direction of winds during a year. So season wise जो variation होता है या reversal होता है winds का. If I am talking about summer, the monsoon winds are coming from southwest. If I am talking about winter, the monsoon winds are coming from northeast. तो समर में बिल्कुल देखिए southwest, एंड विंटर में जस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट. तो कंप्लीट रिवर्सल हो गया, एंड दिस कंप्लीट रिवर्सल इज नोन एज मॉनसून. So monsoon is the Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. Seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year is monsoon, and India has monsoon type of climate. Why India has monsoon type of climate? Because the monsoon type of climate is characterized by distinct seasonal pattern. और हमारे यहाँ seasonal pattern होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं? Summer, then onset of monsoon, then retreating of monsoon or withdrawal of monsoon, then cold weather season or the winter. तो ये जो सिस्टमैटिक जो आपका सीजनल पैटर्न्स हैं, ये कैसे हैं? मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. सो इंडियन क्लाइमेट इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय monsoon winds. Indian climates are influenced by winds which are called monsoon winds, and these winds bring rainfall in India. That's why the climate of India is monsoon type of climate. यहां तक आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए. Now the next one, this picture is somewhat depicting the reversal in the wind direction. You can see in the month of October, March, that is somewhat winter season in India, and you can see in this picture that the winds are blowing from northeast to southwest, and in summer, that is the period of April to September, you can see, or the arrival of monsoon, the winds are blowing from southwest to northeast. So this is the complete reversal in the direction of wind during a year. Now you can see in this picture that in winter, the winds are blowing from land area to sea. And in summer, these winds are blowing from ocean or sea to land area. So यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या होगा? डिफरेंस ये होगा, the winds which are blowing from sea to land, they somewhat capture moisture from the sea, resulting in rainfall in the land area. While the winds which are flowing or blowing from land to sea, these are somewhat dry winds. They are not capturing any moisture from any area, except Tamil Nadu is only the example where the Tamil Nadu is getting rainfall from northeast monsoon winds. How is it possible? Because when northeast monsoon winds crossing the Bay of Bengal, it somewhat captures some moisture and resulting in rainfall in the state of Tamil Nadu. So here is only one exception, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay, वापस बताऊं? ठीक है. As we discussed that northeast monsoon winds which are blowing from land to sea, so these are somewhat moisture less winds, but when these winds crossing the Bay of Bengal and passes over the Bay of Bengal, it somewhat captures some moisture from Bay of Bengal, resulting in rainfall in the state of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is the only state which attain rainfall, which get rainfall during winter from northeast monsoon winds. Winter में rainfall और भी होता है, तो वो cyclonic disturbances से होता है, western cyclonic disturbances से होता है, जो कहाँ होता है? हमारे Himalayan region, northern plain में. But that is not from the northeast monsoon winds. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next thing, that is unity and diversity in the monsoon climate. The unity and diversity in the monsoon climate, when I am talking about unity, then the India is somewhat, the climate is uniting India with the Southeast Asian countries. तो Southeast Asia की बात करता हूं, तो वहां पे भी सेम यही मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट है. तो ये तो यूनाइट की बात हुई. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी, देन यू कैन सी द climatic components or the elements or the atmospheric condition in India is not same. सभी एरिया पे सब चीजें सेम नहीं होगी. The area which lies in the interior of the India is somewhat having large variation in the temperature, in the rainfall. While the areas which are at the coast or in the peninsular India, they are somewhat having less variation in the temperature. When I am talking about Bangalore, Bangalore में ना तो बहुत ज्यादा जो है हीट होती है या हॉट होता है ड्यूरिंग समर और ना ही ज्यादा कोल्ड होता है ड्यूरिंग विंटर. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट Bangalore. While if I am talking about the Thar Desert of Rajasthan, then you observe that in the Thar Desert, there is a great variation in temperature. At the daytime, the temperature is so high, and in the night, the temperature will drop. So there is a difference between the maximum and minimum temperature, and that is known as diurnal range of temperature. Diurnal range of temperature. You can see the example that is given in our NCERT that the climate of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the south are so different that of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the north. While in the summer, when the mercury occasionally touches 55 degrees Celsius in the western Rajasthan, that is Thar Desert, it drops down to as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius in winter around Leh. So this is the great variation. This is the great variation in the temperature in India. There are more examples also regarding it. So there are more examples too, where you can see the variation in the temperature in the interior parts of India or the parts that lies on the coastline or near to the sea. What are the reasons responsible for this variation? We are going to discuss in our next topic. In this map too, you can see a map is given in your NCERT book on page number 48. That is the seasonal rainfall. You can see the variation in rainfall in different parts of India. You can see the variation in the rainfall in different parts of India, where the northeastern states or the windward sides of the Western Ghats are receiving very high rainfall in comparison to the areas that lies in the northwestern part of India. आप देखिए वेस्टर्न घाट में रेनफॉल जो है हाई है. इसके अलावा आप देखिए नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट the states are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam. So these states receiving high rainfall. Windward sides of Western Ghat also receiving higher rainfall than rest of India. Mawsin Ram in the Meghalaya, which lies in the south of the Khasi Hills, receiving the highest average rainfall in the world. So Mawsin Ram is the place which is receiving. चेरापूंजी पहले था, फिर वो चेंज हो गया. अब एवरेज रेनफॉल किसमें ज्यादा है? मौसिन राम में. That lies in the south of the Khasi Hills in the state of Meghalaya. So this map somewhat depicting the variation in the rainfall in different parts of India. These are the Western Ghats. You can see the windward sides of the Western Ghats is somewhat receiving high rainfall. This is the place where the Mawsin Ram is located, and these places are receiving higher rainfall. These are places of scanty rainfall. So these are all about the variation of rainfall. Now the next thing, that is factors determining the climate of India. Factors determining the climate of India means here the factors which are controlling the climate of India. Controlling factors कौन-कौन से हैं जिससे climate क्या हो रहा है, इफेक्ट हो रहा है. The first one, that is latitude. latitude. What is the role of latitude in the climate? The areas which lies in the low latitude somewhat receiving high insolation, and the temperature is also very high. This temperature, high temperature, resulting in trough or low pressure, and ultimately resulting in rainfall. So these areas somewhat receiving high temperature and high rainfall. So climate is affected by latitude. When as one moves from equator towards the pole, the temperature is decreasing. The areas which lie in the high latitudes are colder than the areas which are lying in the lower latitudes. Next thing, that is the Himalayan mountains. So what is the role of Himalayan mountain in the climate of India? अगर मैं क्लाइमेट की बात करता हूं, इंडिया के क्लाइमेट की बात करता हूं, then what is the role of Himalaya? So Himalaya mountain range is somewhat act as a barrier. ये बैरियर की तरह है, किसके लिए? The cold winds which are coming from Central Asia. The cold winds which are coming from Central Asia is somewhat not entering India due to this Himalayan range. तो अगर ये नहीं होता तो आप ये मान के चलिए नॉर्दर्न प्लेन वाला जितना एरिया है इसका टेम्परेचर जो है क्या हो जाता? लो. So Himalayan role we already discussed that it somewhat act as a barrier and stop the cold waves which are coming from Central Asia. Also the role of mountain is in the orographic range जो होती है, जो mountains की वजह से होती है, जिसमें windward side से जब clouds है, winds है, with condensation अपवर्ड मूव करेगी, तो एक पॉइंट पे जाने के बाद फिर वो उसको रिटेन कर पाना, मॉइस्चर को रिटेन कर पाना क्या हो जाएगा? मुश्किल. और एंड फिर वो क्या कर देगी? वहां पे रेनफॉल कर देगी. तो ये भी एक रीजन आपका इसमें आता है. द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर. एज वी ऑल नो दैट द नेचर ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर इज डिफरेंट. लैंड इज समवॉट हीटेड फास्ट एंड कूल डाउन फास्ट. वाटर इज समवॉट हीटेड लेट, वो लेट ही हीट होगा और कूल भी क्या होगा? लेट. और इस तरह की जो सिचुएशन अराइज होती है, इसमें क्या होगा? इसमें ये होगा कि यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर और हाई प्रेशर डिफरेंट बन जाएंगे. मान लीजिए जो जल्दी हीट हो रहा है, इन दैट केस व्हेन इफ लैंड इज हीटेड फास्ट, इन दैट केस द एयर क्या हो जाएगी? लाइट. एयर लाइट होते ही क्या करेगी? अपवर्ड मूवमेंट करेगी. अपवर्ड मूवमेंट करते ही क्या हो जाएगा? लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हो गया आपका. और जैसे ही लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हो गया, एज वी ऑल नो दैट एयर और विंड इज ब्लोइंग फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर. और अब हाई प्रेशर कहाँ है? सी पे, वाटर पे. अब विंड कैसे चलेगी? सी टू लैंड. और विंड जहां से अपना ओरिजिन करती है, नेम भी वही होता है, तो इसे बोलेंगे हम सी ब्रीज. So sea breeze blowing in the daytime from sea to land. अब क्या होगा? It somewhat moderate the temperature or the atmospheric conditions. उसे क्या कर देगी? Moderate कर देगी. मान लीजिए बहुत ज्यादा हीट हो गई थी, तब sea से जो थोड़ी सी winds जो आएगी, उसका टेम्परेचर थोड़ा क्या होगा? Comparatively low. When I am talking about night, in that case, as we already discussed, that land cool down fast, but water remain warm. तो water warm रहेगा, land cold हो गया, cool down हो गया. In that case क्या होगा? Low pressure is created over sea or water. अब जो wind चलेगी वो कहां से चलेगी? Land to sea, and it somewhat moderate the temperature, क्योंकि ये एक सर्कुलेशन बन जाता है. फिर ऐसा नहीं होता कि केवल वहां से चलेगी, क्योंकि वहां से चलेगी तो उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए वापस भी क्या आएगी? हवा. So distribution of land and water to controlling the climate. It is also a major factor in the climate. The next one, that is distance from sea. The areas which are closer to sea are somewhat having moderate atmospheric conditions. Example are Mumbai. मुंबई को जब आप टेम्परेचर देखेंगे, एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन देखेंगे, तो वहां क्या रहती है? मॉडरेट रहती है, नॉट वेरी हॉट, नॉट वेरी कोल्ड. When you see the atmospheric conditions over Cochin, you may observe that there also the atmospheric conditions are moderate, not very cold, not very hot. Because these areas are located nearer to the sea. और जैसे जैसे इंटीरियर में चलते जाएंगे, एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन हार्श होती जाएगी. इन समर द एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस आर हॉट, in winter the atmospheric conditions are cold. Now the next one, that is altitude. As we all know, or as we discussed in chapter number 8, structure and composition, we discussed one layer, that is troposphere. In layer we discussed that this is the lowermost layer, and in this layer in this layer the temperature is decreasing with increasing height. So altitude का क्या रहेगा climatic control factor में, कि यहाँ पे as one person or as we move upward the temperature will decrease. So it also affect the temperature. 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meter height. तो ये भी आपका क्लियर हो गया. Next one, that is air pressure and wind. As we discussed that winds are blowing due to the differences in the atmospheric pressure. Winds are blowing from high pressure area to low pressure area. तो बिल्कुल एयर प्रेशर जो है वो आपका क्लाइमेट को अफेक्ट करता है. Next thing, that is winds. There are some local winds also which affect the climate. The example is Lu. Lu is a local wind which is blowing in the summer season. These are gusty hot winds and somewhat raises the temperature of the northern plain area. So winds too having our effect on the climatic condition or atmospheric condition of a particular area. Now these are some of the factors, or the controlling factors are related to location and relief. And the second one, that these are some of the controlling factors which are related to air pressure and wind. So the factors which are related to location and relief means landscape कह सकते हैं हम उसको. Relief means landscape, like mountainous area, plateau areas and plain areas. अब इसमें क्या है, रिलीफ फीचर में क्या होगा कि उसके लैंडस्केप के अकॉर्डिंग भी क्लाइमेट पे एक एडवर्स इफेक्ट पड़ता है. So latitude, altitude, relief, distance from sea, the Himalayan mountain range, and distribution of land and water. These are those factors which are related to location and relief. Surface pressure and winds, upper air circulation. Upper air circulation, we studied about the jet stream in class 9. Jet stream are flowing in the upper air with the velocity of 185 km per hour. तो ये जो पढ़ा था, तो अपर एयर सर्कुलेशन भी अफेक्ट करता है क्लाइमेट को. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज वेस्टर्न साइक्लोन्स. So western cyclones which are originated in the Mediterranean Sea and somewhat capture moisture from the Mediterranean Sea and bring rainfall in the northwestern part of India. So this also related to the air pressure and winds. So students, in our today's class we discussed about the meaning of climate, meaning of weather. After that we discussed the difference between weather and climate. After that we discussed about the monsoon, that what is the literal meaning of monsoon, what is the definition of monsoon. We discussed about the monsoon type of climate. We discussed about the reversal of wind direction during a year. We discussed about the unity and diversity in the monsoon climate, that about the regional variation in the monsoon, and the monsoon type of climate of India, which is same in the Southeast Asian countries. After that, we discussed about some regional variation in the rainfall. After that, we discussed about some of the factors determining the climate of India. So this is all about the topic we discussed today.